Action.
It's good to just read something here on the tapping report. Oh, hi Dumbo. What is it? Oh, we better get to the tea. Let us get to the tea house. Can you just tape it? Yes.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You need to come in the tea house. So guys, what is going on? We have to talk. Hello, Captain Sonu. Oh, Chod. Oh. Okay, we'll deliver the snacks now. We better get to Antarctica. We better use flight mode. Let's get flight position off the tree house and into the air. First we need to figure out the way to get it off the tree house. How about if we use flight mode? No, it's too... What about if we use space mode? Then it can just jump out of the air. And how about this? We then have this one for the tree house. And someone gave me another hand. I have an idea. Why don't we move the first left here? Uh-oh. We better get. But how will we do it if we are on the ground? Let us use parachutes.
Yes.
Not in parachutes. Now we can jump out of the tree house through the air. Now stand it up. Now we need to just activate parachutes.
Activate parachute.
Yes, we are on land. Thumb in, Dumbo. We need to. It always takes some full bit strength. We better get to Antarctica. Oh, it already opened. It already opened Antarctic mode. Yes, let's turn into fins. Let us put it into fins. Now let's Pooja, you need to make me down. Unicatting. And I'll come up there. How's it doing? Yes. Now, let's gather up the snacks. Ready from the
Just
other
okay. No fruits, okay?
No fruit. Let's gather into the snack grabber and just get them up.
Enough, enough.
We have an ice cream and a tail and some tail plates. Come on, get inside. Come on, let's go. Dumbo. Come on, come on. Don't do behind the.
Hmm.
Do here.
Yeah, coming. Coming there. Mm-hmm.
That's right. Those are Antarctica. Yes. I'll let them pretty sweat down there. Let us dead off sheep and that fine. He said he is near the professor, so it should be not hard to find. But how do you get here? Yes. Activating hover mode. We are in the top eye, but I don't see Joe. Ahoy, mateys! Oh,
Oh, hi, Chot.
so
Hi,
what's
Danny.
the problem, Chot? Sure, my viewer watch stopped doing the tour alert. So it got from my helmet radio.
Oh.
Let us call Dumbo and tell. Hello, Dumbo. Your tour watch is not working, so he is not able to sound the tour alert. So he told by radio. Can you dumb down here? Okay, I'll pick you. Oh, so soon. See you from Rosie. Yes. Now let Peppa that Dorat. I better down with you. Thanks, Papa. Now I'll just head into the tea house. Yes, Mama. He said, "Pick me up. I'm so thirsty." He's not in the house. So where is Dumbo? So we can't figure out where Where is she? Ready? I'll just Pojo. Hello, Pojo. Wait!
Okay. Oh.
Hello, Pojo. I don't know where's Dumbo.
Is it track him on
Her.
her? Track her on the tour.
I don't know, but we can't find her. So we need to do something. We can't find her. So we'll see. Pojo, can you fix it? Yes. Okay. Let's get that to Antarctica. Yes, here Peppa stop. Now let us get some of the. So here is the Professor Danny. Let me see if they are not frozen up.
Oh.
So how will the plan be? Aha. Yeah, do what it. Thanks, Pojo. Thank you, friends. You're welcome. Danny, let us go back. What's that? Looks like the blizzard is on its way. The blizzard is on its way.
Whoa.
Come on, back into the platform, back into the humpback whale. Let's do that. Yes, we are back. Now we have to wait until tomorrow morning for Dumbo to return. Until then, now we how about I read a book. Let me continue reading.
Cut.
13.